Ne- Next topic that we'll be taking up is various page replacement algorithm. This is again very important from examination point of view, as you'll be getting some numericals from this part. So you need to listen this carefully. So what are the various steps for replacement of page? What is the first step? We're supposed to find out the location of the desired page on the disk. First step is we're supposed to locate the desired page on the disk. After that, we need to bring that page into the we need to find a free frame corresponding to this. No, we're taking a page replacement. That means we're taking those cases when the page has not been found in the page table. It needs to be loaded from the main memory, from the physical memory. So what is this? So start with the finding location of desired page on the disk. Find out the location of a page and disk, and then find out the free frame. If there is any free frame, page will be loaded into that free frame. But if there is no free frame, then we're supposed to replace any given page with the new page. That means we need to follow certain page replacement algorithms to select a page that needs to be replaced or that is to be selected as a victim frame. What is the third next step? Write the victim frame to the disk. Okay? The victim frame will be moved to the disk, and correspondingly the page table and the frame tables are appropriately changed. After that, read the desired page into newly freed frame. Change the page and frame table. Then finally restart the user process. Now this is the steps that we'll be taking up for page replacement algorithms. There are various page replacement algorithms. We'll be taking all these one by one. So firstly we'll be starting with the FIFO page replacement algorithm. What is there with FIFO page replacement algorithm? Now this is the oldest algorithm that is chosen for replacement. It can be implemented by FIFO queue to hold all the pages in memory. We replace the page at the head of the queue. When the page is brought into memory, we insert it at the tail of the queue. As we all know that what is there with the FIFO? Okay, first in, first out. The page that is first in that needs to exit firstly. Okay. All this will be clear by the means of this example. Suppose we're given with this reference string 70120304230321201. What is there? Suppose in the system we have 3 frames. We need to bring those pages into the frames. First, initially we'll be having these 3 frames. So first step will be starting with the this is empty. We'll bring 7 over here, 0 over here, 1 over here. Now in the next step we need to bring up 2. Now there is no free frame over here. What we need to do, we need to replace either 7, either 0 or 1. This is where your algorithm comes into play. We're following the first in first out algorithm. That means the page that was loaded first, that will be exiting this first. तो सबसे पहले कौन सा पेज हमने लोड किया? That is 7. So we'll be replacing this 7 with 2. 2 will be loaded up. After that we have 201 0. This is already over here. No need to do anything. 3. This is not there. So what we'll be doing? We'll be replacing after 2, which is the next page that was brought first. That is 0. So we'll replace this 0 with 3. After that, again this 0 needs to be replaced. What is the first page that is inputted? That was 1. So 1 is replaced with 0. After that 4. Again the first one was from this 230. First page was 2. So this 2 will be replaced with 4. After that comes 2. 2 will be replaced with 3. After that 3. This becomes replaced with 0. So after that 0, this will is replaced with 4. After that 3, this is already over here. After that 2, this is again already over here. After that we have 1. So 1 needs to be replaced. So 1 will be replaced with the oldest page over here is 2. So 1 will be replaced with 2 over here. After that we are supposed to replace 2. 2 again, 3 is the oldest one. So it will be replaced with 2. 0 is already over here. 1 is already over here. So if you count up total number of, if you are asked that what is the total number of page faults over here, how you are supposed to find out? You are supposed to compute this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is giving out you 12 page faults. But you are supposed to do this example by your own also and find out what is the total number of page faults over here. In addition to this, you are supposed to solve this example. This is the given string given to you, that is 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5. You are supposed to implement the FIFO replacement algorithm. You are supposed to draw the diagram, then find out the various number of page faults by means of, if you are having 4 frames, and in the second case if you are having 3 frames. Okay, you are supposed to give your answer in the comment section. This is all for today. In the next lecture we will be taking up the next page replacement algorithm. Thank you.